Welcome back. Today I will discuss about continuity of class 12th. Definition of continuity: a function f(x) said to be continuous at a point x is equal to a. If f(x) is defined as at point x is equal to a, limit x tend to a f(x) exist, or and limit x tend to a f(x) is equal to value of given function at a point that. So in other words, a function f(x) is said to be continuous at a x is equal to a if f(x) left hand limit and right hand limit both are equal at value of given function, these are equal, so f(x) function is continuous. Continuity at a point from left and right: if a function f(x) said to be continuous at x is equal to a from left hand limit is equal to value of given function at that point, and also f(x) is said to be continuous at x is equal to a from right hand limit and value of given function at that point, both are equal. And next, f(x) is said to be given function is continuous at x is equal to a, so left hand limit and right hand limit and value of given function, these are equal, so given function is continuous. Left hand limit and right hand limit and value of function at x is equal to a, these are equal, so this is given function is continuous. So some question you can solve according to by definition of continuity. So now let us start question. Prove that if function f(x) is equal to 5x minus 3 is continuous at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 3, minus 3, and also at x is equal to 5. So now let us start given solution. Given function f(x) is equal to 5x minus 3. So at point x is equal to 0, now find left hand limit left hand limit x tends to left hand limit f(x). So now limit x tend to left hand limit f(x), value of this function 5x minus 3. So at a point x is equal to 0, so now put here 5 into 0 minus 3 is equal to minus 3, and also write right hand limit equal to limit x tend to right hand limit fx. So right hand limit x tend to 0, so fx 5x minus 3. Now put x is equal to 0, 5 into 0 minus 3 is equal to minus 3, and value of fx at a point 0, x is equal to 0, f0 is equal to 5 into 0 minus 3 is equal to minus 3. So left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to value of given function f0 is equal to 0. So given function is continuous at x is equal to 0, and also taken point x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to minus 3. So function given, so left hand limit x tend to minus 3 is equal to limit x tend to minus 3 fx 5x minus 3. Now value x minus 3 put here is equal 5 into minus 3 in minus 3, so minus 15 minus 3 is equal to minus 18. Also right hand limit x tend to minus 3, right hand limit fx is equal to limit x tend to right hand limit 5x minus 3, 5 into minus 3, so minus 15 minus 3 is equal to minus 18, and value of minus 3 is equal to 5 into minus 3 is equal to minus 15 minus 3 is equal to minus 18. So left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to value of given function minus 3. These are equal, so given function is continuous at x is equal to minus 3. Now also we can show given point at x is equal to 5. So left hand limit is equal to limit x tend to 5 fx. So limit x tend to 5x minus 3, 5 into 5 minus 3 is equal to 20, and right hand limit x tend to fx is equal to limit x tend to 5 plus 5x minus 3. So value x is equal to 5. Now put here 5 into 5 minus 3 is equal to 22. Now Now value of fx 5x minus 3. Now f5 is equal to 5 into 5 minus 3. 25 minus 3 is equal to 22. So left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to value of function given. These are equal. Therefore given function is continuous. That's all.